Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fit the whole video on Instagram using Kapwing. So first is just simply go ahead and select create a new over here on the Kapwing, and now from here just simply select this one, Instagram posts. So from here guys, this is the best canvas that you will have, because if you choose a 9 by 16, it will not do the job. But the best option is Instagram post, which is 4 by 5. Now go to media over here at the top and select add media and click your video or upload your video. Now once you have it uploaded, you can just simply select the plus icon, and from here you will have something like this. So of course, just simply adjust your video based on your preferences. So for example, I want something like this, so I'll zoom it out just for the post so they can see everything. So pretty much this is just an example. So now the technique will be zooming it out, and after that you could just simply go for the background tab over here and select the color picker, as you can see over here, and just simply select a color into your project. I'm gonna choose the lighter ones over here, as you can see, it will match the background color. And after that, you could just simply select export over here and select the format and select the resolution and the compression level as well, and select export as MP4, and you should be able to resize the video for your Instagram post. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.